How to know if someone ignored your Snapchat friend request. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tell if someone has ignored your friend request on Snapchat. It's really quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Add Friends. And now here, once you are in this section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can simply add random people that you want to add as a friend. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled as Friends I have recently added. And now here, on the new page, it will show you a list of every account that you have recently added. So here you can simply scroll through the list, and here if you tap on the profile, and here if you only see a basic info like your username, whether they are online or just suggested friends, that usually means that they haven't accepted a request yet, or they might have ignored it. On the other hand, if you tap on the profile, and here you see the things like chat option, wallpaper, Bitmojis interaction, or location sharing, that signs that they have accepted your friend request. So basically, minimal info equals to request pending or ignored full option. Or here, if you find the full options about the profile, then it means that they have accepted your request. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.